William Shakespeare's plays have the outstanding status of being in the midst of the greatest in English language and literature. Historians have often regarded the fact that the fame of Shakespeare rests on his understanding of his human nature. Shakespearean theater plays a vital role in Western culture and literature. Shakespeare's plays have utilized the maximum possibilities of Elizabethan theater. Globe Theatre is considered as the one and only Elizabethan theatre which produced most of the Shakespearean plays. Shakespearean theatres were prepared into 3 layers and around an open space in the middle. It has a hexagonal structure with a wide inner court. Analyzing history, one can find that people from all social backgrounds presented the Elizabethan theatre. Shakespeare's dramatic craftsmanship satisfies the high-class people as well as the slaves. Shakespearean theatres were decorated in an open way to the public eye. The stage has mainly 2 parts, the outer stage which is prepared in a rectangular form with a projecting shape. Shakespeare creates great scenes of soliloquy which reveals the inner conflicts of the character perfectly. The outer stage is prescribed for these kinds of scenes. The second one is the inner stage, which is used to perform the actors who were in a scene but never directly joined the play. The banquet scene in Macbeth and the temptation scene in Othello succeed in giving great aesthetic pleasure to the audience. Shakespearean plays like The Tempest, Macbeth, and Hamlet permit the viewer to watch supernatural events and characters. Instead of the 2 stages, they have a large cellar named Hell arranged in Shakespearean theatre. The ghost of King Hamlet in Hamlet attracts millions through its magnificent performance on the underground stage. The 3 layers of the theater contain dressing rooms, a prop room, a musician's gallery, and linking passageways. The curtains hide the dramatic elements from the audience. One can find that Shakespearean plays call for a scene within a scene, such as the combination scene between Miranda and Ferdinand playing chess in the play The Tempest and the conversation between Nerissa and Portia about the caskets. The online article entitled Elizabethan Theatre comments that, behind the stage, there is a curtained discovery space, a small room behind a curtain which allows characters to be suddenly revealed by opening the curtain, as Ferdinand and Miranda are suddenly revealed in Shakespeare's The Tempest, playing chess. Modern stages constitute various visual feasts such as lighting, artificial settings, actors with different costumes, and perfect sound systems. Shakespearean plays consist of all these things through languages. The stages were raised from the floor and the roofless yard informant of the stage prepared for groundlings. Instead of electric lights and stage settings, a stagehand set off fireworks makes omens, comets, and other supernatural elements. In Elizabethan times, male people played the role of females in plays and operas. The presence of a backdraped background helps the audience to understand the fact that the play is a tragedy. Knocking sounds create the mood of horror and storm. Speeches and narrative situations in both tragedies and comedies unambiguously illustrate the changing of scenes. These were written into the text by the dramatist, and the audience can grasp the changes through various speech forms. Elizabethan audience includes kings, queens, dukes, lords, merchants, peasants, and slaves with extreme aesthetic pleasure. Study Corgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.